Crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and we are on day 18 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So, if you've been following me the last 8 to 17 days, I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you giving me a few minutes to rattle on and be surprised about what's in the box. I do not watch Missouri Star Quilt until after I open my box. I have not purposely watched other content creators open theirs prior to me, just because I want to be able to be surprised and see what's in here. So far, it's been a pretty positive year for me. I have been happy overall. There's a couple of things where I go, okay. It's not that it's a bad gift and not a great gift. It's just, that just didn't jump at me like some of the other things that they've done. So they did some really cool, amazing things. And I have a feeling we're still crescendo, right? Whatever that word is, elevating our way up to the big day, right on December 25th. So, guys, let's jump in. What is in day 18? This one actually feels kind of unique. This bag does, so it definitely doesn't feel like fabrics in here, but I have no idea what possibly could be in here. And I do appreciate all the thoughtfulness that have gone into getting this put together. Sorry for all the noise. All right, let's make sure that it's there. So another plastic bag. Guys, you can't have enough of these, and I appreciate that. Oh, wow. So this is going to be different. This is the Winter Stardust quilt pattern for 10-inch squares. It is finishes out 72 inches by 72 inches. It is made with Kona solids, and they tell you which ones that they would choose and how to put it together. So it is another Missouri Star quilt pattern, and look at that. I really like the way that looks. Now, my problem is I've really gotten spoiled, and I really try to match the patterns and go back and alter them to make them line up with my AccuQuilt, because I've just kind of gotten over the hand cutting. But this is a really cool pattern. Again, thank you for yet another pattern. I appreciate that. And then with it, we got a 400 piece 20 by 20 inch square quilt block puzzle by Missouri Star Quilt. So my partner will be thrilled to know that, yeah, we have another puzzle that I'm going to want to get put together. Interesting enough, we've been doing an Advent puzzle this year. And so each evening we spend 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever it takes to put about 40 pieces together of this Christmas scene that we're doing. I'm doing it, my son's doing it, my daughter's doing it, and my niece is doing it. So all of us are sharing the same experience this year. So it's kind of been fun in that. It's kind of cool. I've enjoyed kind of doing that puzzle and having that focus. So I think that'll be cool to get this puzzle together. And then I had mentioned to my son that it's going to be difficult, right? At the end of the day, all the puzzle pieces are numbered. All of these are one, all of these are two, all of these are three. But to sit down and break it back apart, divide it back up, get it in the right Advent boxes. And he goes, "Oh, I don't do that." He said he likes it enough that at the end of the day, when it's done, they'll actually frame it and put it up. And I could see doing the same thing with this. I think this would really be cool to do together as a couple, as a family, as creators, excuse me, and then put this together and then frame it. So I very well think that may be what happens there. And I could actually see this puzzle, or not this puzzle, but this pattern coming to life sometime in 2026. So we will have to see if I'm able to cheat and get it cut um, on the AccuQuilt, because if that's the case, it's definitely going to happen. So guys, I appreciate you dropping in. I appreciate you giving me a little time. Please give me that thumbs up. Leave your comments below. We try to respond to each and every one of those. And we just appreciate that you're on the channel, following us, and giving us an opportunity to express ourselves out there in this beautiful community. Hope everyone's getting ready for Christmas. Can't wait to see what the big guy is bringing me this year. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.